Hello friends, welcome and namaskar. Welcome back in my YouTube channel where we are learning Excel basics. Till now we have covered clipboard and font section of Home tab. Now in this chapter we will focus on alignments, settings provided by Excel tool. Right? Friends, I am creating video in small pieces so it is easy to focus on specific topics and cover all aspects of that. Right? So let's start our topic with real examples. So for alignment section, real examples, we first said that we have few options of alignment, right? So middle alignment, top alignment, bottom alignment is there, left, right, etc. And we can also set orientation of our text. Hmm? So for starting this, let me check something. This is example of alignments, right? Let's- and let me explain this. So, in a scenario where we may have this kind of text, right? Hmm? So, suppose like this. This is our cell. B6 cell is having some text like this. Hmm? Or if we want to align this, right now it is coming as left and bottom alignment, right? So if I want to move it in center, then what I will do is just go here and click on middle alignment, right? Or if I want it is center, then it is. So it is now coming in center of that particular selected cell, right? If you want to move in right, then we can click on this right button, right alignment. If we want to move it on top alignment, then we can do it like this. So it's so easy for user to align the text of a particular cell. Got it? Now, if I want to change orientation means like right now it is coming as a simple line format. Hmm? So if I want to change orientation of this, then we can do it angle clockwise. So it is showing clockwise angle. It is showing the text. Hmm? If I want to change it as vertical, it is coming as vertical. So in case of vertical, I need to get this. If I want to change it, rotate text up, so it will come. Text is rotated as upside. If I want to change it as down, it is also possible. Hmm? Okay, right. So we can also increase or decrease indents of the text. Okay. So we can indent means if suppose our text is in middle of a particular cell, hmm, and I want to make it closer with our left border, then what I will do? I will do this, hmm, like this. Getting? If I want to change it, decrease the indent from left side, then I will be getting it. Okay. So this is like that. Hmm. And suppose in my text, text is coming like this. Change it. And here we have another text in next cell. or we have a number like 5,000. Hmm? So we can check that our text is not visible here. So, but our cell is having proper space to show the text, but still our text is not appear because and other cells text is override the selected cell data. So for changing this, we have an option as wrap text. So wrap text will wrapping the text according to selected cells size. See. So you can see that now complete text is visible to us. Same thing we can do with this. And if I click on this, so it is space is also concise as per the selected text, and text is also wrapped. Hmm? So that is a powerful feature also to formatting our text in particular Excel. Getting now, what if suppose I want to, that this text should appear on top of the all the three cells, right? Here, here, here. So what I will do, I will click on this and select another cells till where I want to merge, and just click on this merge and center. So it will show text as selected in middle of the particular selected cells, and it will also merge. Friends, we'll also need to learn that in case of merging, text available in other cells will also delete. So if I merge this along with this, then system will merge, system will delete other text, right? Let's check. So it is showing merging cell only keep the upper left cell value and discard the other values. So upper left means this one. Okay. So it is merged this and other text are removed. Getting this? So that's all for alignment section of Excel. I hope you learned all the features of alignment section in Excel and also enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe the video and keep watching channel for latest uploads. Right? Thank you.